Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Salesflare to HubSpot forms for lead capture, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Salesflare to HubSpot forms for lead capture, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Forms section by clicking on the Marketing tab. Select Lead Capture and then choose Forms. Create a new form or edit an existing one. Ensure your form is configured with the fields you want to capture. Next, log into your Salesflare account. Go to the Settings section of your Salesflare dashboard. Find the Integrations tab within the settings. Locate HubSpot from the list of available integrations. Click on the Connect button next to HubSpot. You will be prompted to log into your HubSpot account again for authentication. Once authenticated, you will see various options related to form data. Choose the options that best meet your lead capture needs. Make sure to map the fields from your HubSpot form to the corresponding fields in Salesflare. Double-check to ensure all necessary fields are correctly mapped. After mapping, save your integration settings in Salesflare. Go back to your HubSpot form and test it by submitting a dummy lead. Verify that the lead information appears in your Salesflare account. If everything is set up correctly, you're now capturing leads from HubSpot forms directly into Salesflare. Lastly, monitor your leads in Salesflare to ensure data is consistently flowing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.